Let's be real, sometimes the most basic hairstyles are the ones that actually turn heads. If you're tired of spending hours in a stylish chair and you want something clean, crisp, and chic, you are in the right place. Today, we are talking about the power of the minimalist cornrow braids that make you look effortlessly beautiful. Hi everyone, welcome to Locks. On this channel, we are here to help you with amazing hairstyles you can try for your next salon appointment. So today, I will show you some of my favorite braid styles that are super easy but look incredibly classy. We are moving away from the heavy, complicated braids and going for a much cleaner look. Just look at these. They are just straight back cornrows, but the way they are done makes them look so neat and polished. If you want a little extra pop, you can add some pretty curls at the ends or even some simple wooden beads or any beads of your choice or any accessories of your choice. It doesn't take much to make this look amazing. Plus, they don't pull on your edges, which is a huge win for all of us because we are keen on healthy hair growth. The real trick to maintaining this look, to make you look chic, classy, and expensive, is making sure your parts are straight and your hair is nice and shiny. A little bit of hair gel or mousse goes a long way to keeping everything looking smooth and fresh for the whole week. The braid hairstyles in this video is the perfect style for when you are busy but still want to feel and look effortlessly beautiful. Do well to watch this video to the end to see all the beautiful hairstyles in this video that will leave you looking stunning. Which one of these cornrow braids do you like better? The curls or the ones with beads? Or the simple straight back? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle content like this. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle content like this. Thank you for watching.